Hey guys, today we're making samp beans. Add some water to your pressure cooker and add in your washed samp beans. Place that on the stove, lock the lid and allow that to boil on high for about an hour. At the same time, in a separate pot, add in your oil, dry chili and onion and fry it on high. Stir it as often as you need to till the onions turn a golden brown color. Then add in your meat, and I just mixed it to stop the splashing. And then you can add in your turmeric, chili powder, biryani mix and ginger and garlic paste. Mix it well. And add in some salt and cook covered for about an hour on high, adding in water whenever necessary. To release the lid of your pressure cooker faster, run it under a cold tap and then mix the samp, and you'll know it's done if you can easily smash a bean up against the side of the pot. Your meat should be done at the same time the samp is done, so when all the water is completely evaporated, add your samp and bean mixture into this along with the liquid. Then add in your butter or margarine, and I'm using Rama. Give it a stir and allow it to simmer on low for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent any burning or sticking. And after the 30 minutes is up, your samp is ready to serve. Enjoy.